we're back again for another round. We're going to try again. This time we've turned the boost up and we've changed the quick shifter around so that it's now a race shift. So we'll see if we can do a better time. Any predictions?
No predictions. We'll let the bike do the talking.
I reckon, yeah, well, last time we did a 10.9, so let's see if we can go better this time. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is we've got the draggy. So I'm going to run a draggy this time and we'll get some more stats. We put a boost tee, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a boost tee in it, so we can adjust the boost. I don't want to go above about 8 pounds of boost on the stock engine, so and that's where it's set at the moment. So we'll see if that works out. 7.5 to 8 pounds is about right. All right, let's go. With you on it, and what's the bike? The bike's 184.5. Heavier than I thought.
That's right.
You're lighter than I thought.
My 750 is lighter than this.
Your 750 is?
Yeah, I weighed it yesterday, 182.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it looks like it's harder to ride.
Yeah.
You seem to be wheeling more.
Yep.
Yeah. That first one was too much clutch slip.
Yeah, that's right. The second one was too, it's like on the hip, it's just too slow.
Yeah. Still, you picked up 5 mile an hour. Got to be happy with that. How did it feel?
It felt good. It was still a little bit slow off the line, but after that I got it a bit better. Still limited first to second gear.
You went quicker though.
Went quicker, yeah. 1081.
1081 it back up to 130. So
130.
what was the 60 that time?
Slower. 187.
What was the last one? 18. I thought the last one was 18 something.
Yeah, it was 18 something. Yeah.
was it?
Still went 186.
10.69.
Yeah. Got lots left.
It was heaps better though.
Yeah, the 60.
Oh, you're
was
still doing
slow.
1.8.
So I would have gone quicker from the 60 to the 330. I'm gonna do
Yeah.
the other one. Yeah. I felt better, smooth.
Oh yeah, you're doing 6.9 in the
Yeah.
8th. Awesome. You happy?
Happy.
Well, that was a very successful night. We did a best of a 10.62 at 131, or we did 131 and 10.62, so improving. Those changes made a big difference. Brett was saying that the clutch is the next thing that needs to be looked at, because it doesn't have enough grab off the line for him. So we'll look into the clutch. I also want to try lowering the bike, because I think lowering it, well, we know that lowering it will be able to get off the line a lot faster. So a 10.6, and then if we can get under 10.5 with a lowered bike, or low 10s, that's pretty impressive, I think. All right, we'll go and make some changes and we'll be back.
Next time.
Till next time. All right, see you guys.